KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
The KeyDigital app is your free iOS app that will scan the network, detecting KeyDigital devices, and give your users a pre-built GUI for complete control over their KeyDigital device. Gives you everything you need, including friendly naming of my zones: entrance, bar, bar dining, dining room, patio, private, etc. Friendly naming of your connected sources: DirecTV 1, 2, 3, 4, cable, music, etc. And just the control you need. Volume adjustments, muting controls, volume adjust on plus and minus, and the ability to set presets. So if you have a device like KeyDigital's audio matrix in there, you could program presets like open, close, etc. So even with our free app, we are delivering an increased efficiency for your users in how they have to spend their time in configuring their audio-video systems, morning, night mode, and additional times throughout the day. So for more information on the KeyDigital app, you could just grab it right off of the iOS, the App Store from Apple, and search KeyDigital, and you'll have all sorts of demos in there to see exactly what the GUI will look like for your next application.